Pull up with a stick, any pussy get it hit. Pull up with a stick, let it hit.
Okay, so here I'm just showing you guys how my lace looks when I remove my wig. You can see all the glue left on it and it looks just crusty and dirty. I'm gonna take 91% alcohol in a cotton pad. I'm just gonna saturate the cotton pad in alcohol, and I'm just gonna clean. I start by one end and I do circular motions so the glue can like clump up, if that makes any sense. And I just do that throughout the whole lace until there's no more glue left. Excuse my voice, I'm really sick again. So here you can see what the lace looks like when it's completely clean. After you cleaned your lace, wash the hair if it's necessary. I always wash my hair whenever I remove my wig, regardless of how long it's been. So this is how I braid my hair. I got 6 braids, looking crusty. Then I just put my wig on and I just take out the sideburns and I place the wig how I want it to be before I start putting the glue on. The trick to make your lace seamless is to put your foundation underneath or tint the lace. I don't know how to tint the lace because I always fail when I do that. So I just put my foundation underneath and that's how it melts down. I should have put more foundation this time though, but whatever, it is what it is. So I just part my hair down the middle and then I clip my hair back so it's out of the way. Then I just push my wig backwards a little bit so I can see my hairline. And I'm using the Ghost Bond lace glue and a popsicle stick. Mind you, as you can see, I am applying the glue on the front of my hairline, not on my actual hair. Then you wait until it dries out completely clear until you put the next coat of glue. This is what I'm doing right here. This is my second coat. And then you wait until that is clear, and then you can place your wig. You can start placing your wig. So I always start with the middle section and I place my part where I want it to be. As you can see, I'm lifting the wig with my fingers, but I'm not pushing it down with my fingers. I'm using my ragtail comb to push it down because the natural oils of your finger can make the glue turn white and we don't want that. So just push down the lace, make it stick, and at the same time make sure that no hair is glued down. You want the lace to be glued but not the actual hairs of the wig. I don't know if I'm explaining myself correctly, but you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm lifting the hairs up so they don't stick down, and then I'm pushing down the actual lace, and then I'm just adjusting it how I want it and keep pressing down. This whole application took me about 30 minutes. Then I moved on to the sideburns. I finished like the middle section. From the middle section to the sideburns, I did that off camera. Then I moved on to my sideburns. And this is the only part where I actually get some glue on my hair, but I don't really mind because as long as you know how to remove it, you will be good. You will not lose your hair. So you wait until the glue dries again and you push down the sideburns with the ragtail comb. Again, as you can see, I'm not using my fingers to push down the hair. I'm just using the comb. Then it's time to wrap my hair. And I kept my hair wrapped for about 30 minutes while I did my makeup, and this is also how I wrap my hair for the night. This helps with the whole lace melting down so it looks more natural. Then I'm back and I got my face done, and as you can see, this is pretty seamless. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you guys in my next one. Bye.